If you're using Google TV and suddenly can't find the Play Store, don't panic. This is actually pretty common. And the good news is, you probably don't need to reset your TV. First, let's clear up one thing. On some Google TV devices, the Play Store isn't displayed like it is on an Android phone. Instead, apps are managed directly through the Apps section. So, start by pressing the Home button on your remote. Go to the Apps tab at the top of the screen. Then look for the option that lets you search for apps. Now search for the app you want to install. If it appears, simply select it and install it. But what if you specifically want to access the Play Store? Try using Google Assistant. Press the Assistant button on your remote and say, "Open Google Play Store." If the Play Store is available on your device, it should open. Still nothing? Then restart your Google TV. Go to Settings, choose System, and select Restart. Give the TV a minute to fully reboot. After that, check the Apps section again. You can also check for system updates. Go to Settings, then System, and select About. Look for a system update and install it if one is available. One more thing. Some Google TV models and software versions simply don't show a traditional Play Store icon. That doesn't mean the Play Store is broken. In most cases, you can still install supported apps through the Apps section. So, if your Play Store seems to have disappeared, try these steps before doing anything drastic.